Alrighty then, everyone. This is the third and final thrift store find of the three that I found at the First West thrift store. I would have gotten that brother's fax machine. Man, that fax machine would have helped me though. But let me put my phone camera aside for now again. This is the third and final thrift store find. This one was at the First West thrift store. And voila. Whoops. Give me a second, people. Finally. I have another copy of this telephone. This is the second copy of the AT&T, which the logo is right there. The AT&T CL4940. Corded the telephone with the speakerphone with the color It's Green on the base, which of course would actually sound my call, but anyway, here with the infamous Digitan Answering the Machine, which unfortunately has the newer voice. And I don't like newer voices, but as much as I prefer the newer voices, I like the older voices much more better than the newer voices, like the AMPV. The AMPV was actually far more greater than the newer version. So let's plug it in and see what it does. Give me a moment. Alright, well, I got 43 missed calls. That's unfortunate. Let me see, when was the last call been made? It was last used February 14th at 8:17 p.m. And the first call was actually made on January 11th at 2:43 p.m. Ain't that something? There was 50 missed calls on there. But let me see if I can delete them all.
You have no old messages.
Let me check the caller ID. Let me delete all the calls. Alright, so all calls are deleted. Alright, now let's hear the overview of the Digitan Answer the Machine.
You have no messages. Calls will be answered. Calls will not be answered. You have no old messages.
That's the newer voice right there, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, though, this is my second copy, but I can record a announcement or a memo message on this thing. Let's see what the date and time is. This was made in the 2016. That's hilarious. But today is 10/3/24 at 10:16 p.m. Alrighty then. So there you go. Alright, well, everything seems to be working just fine. Alrighty then, so that was making sense. Here's the directory. Directory empty. Nope, no thank you. Here's the ringer. Here's the... wait. That's the only ringer it has, huh? Okay, let's see about the answering system. Gonna record with 2 rings. Alright, the call screening is supposed to be off, so that way we won't produce a freak show when calling. The remote code is 878. The priority code is 555. And I never knew that there was a remote code and a priority code. But anyway, here's the recording of the memo.
Record after the tone. Press 5 when you are done.
Recording a memo message for the letter AJK, the Zeispade on the YouTubes. Thank you. Alrighty, so let's play that message.
Thursday, 10:18 p.m. Recording a memo message for the letter AJK, the Zeispade on the YouTubes. Thank you. End of messages.
Alrighty then, so I have one message. Here's the announcement. This is the previous owner's announcement, or the previous owner's greeting.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Oh? What happened?
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Oh, I must have deleted the previous owner's greeting before I done this video, but it's alright though. Let's record a new message.
Record after the tone. Press 5 when you are done.
Please leave your message after the tone. Do you want to do that, ladies and gentlemen?
Please leave your message after the tone. Do you want to do that, ladies and gentlemen?
Alright, so here is the current announcement that I've recorded.
Please leave your message after the tone. Do you want to do that, ladies and gentlemen?
Okay, let's see about the setting the announcement to default. Alright. Here's the language. Huh. There's 3 languages on there. The LCD contrast is supposed to be 1 or 3. The dial mode is touch tone. Alright. Alright, so I'll delete that message while it is playing.
Thursday, 10:18 p.m. Thursday, 10:18 p.m. End of messages. Thursday, 10:18 p.m. Message deleted. End of messages.
Oh, okay, that's the newer voice that you may have heard. Here's the default announcement.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Okay, so anyway, let's try the mute function, making sure it works. Not assigned, okay. What is this? Equalizer. Set during the call for handset use. Okay. Okay, so the audio assist works fine, just fine. Anyway, that would be it for this video. May God bless every one of you.